welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'll be taking you step by step on how to create and start a successful YouTube and how to create and start a successful YouTube channel in 2025. Step by step, creating your channel, optimizing your channel, channel description, channel banner, and customizing your channel. Oh yes, why should you start a YouTube channel in 2025? What are the benefits of starting a YouTube channel in 2025? One of the benefits of starting a YouTube channel in 2025 is the AI support tool. The AI support tools helps you in scripting, editing, scripting, and thumbnails. The next one is the expanded monetization option. Yes, your short form and your long form videos equals to more reach. The next one is growing creator economy and niche opportunity. Growing your creator economy and niche opportunities. Planning your channel. How to plan your channel. How do you plan your channel in 2025? How do you plan a successful YouTube channel in 2025? How to plan a successful YouTube channel in 2025? Well, first step, you have to choose a niche. Choose a niche. What works for you? What do you love best? What do you enjoy? What are you passionate about? What can you do? What can you create content on? What can you generate your own ideas on? What can you stay in a day? You generate up to 10 video ideas on. You choose it. Is it educational, fitness, life vlog, whatever that works for you? You choose your niche. Second, identify your target audience. How do you identify your target audience? Who is watching me? Who should be watching my videos? Why are they coming back to watch my videos? The next one, define your content type. Is it podcast, live, or long form or short form? You define your content type. How to set it up. Here, I will take you step by step, one after the other, on how to create your successful YouTube channel, how to set up your successful YouTube channel in 2025, how to set up your successful YouTube channel in 2025. Please stay tuned. Don't skip any part of this video for you to understand how you will set up your successful YouTube channel in 2020. You open a Gmail account. You go to your Google account and create a new Gmail account. It's always advisable to create a new Gmail account for a purpose of new channel, new YouTube channel. So here I have already created mine. So I will use it on this channel. So this is create account, create channel. Now create channel, you see the picture, the name, the handle. So I will go on and type in the name I want. I'll click on name. This is the name the Google account I open but add for me. So I don't want it. So in this case, I need to type in the name I want this channel to be. The name I want to appear on my channel handle. This is your channel handle. So I want the name I want. I will just type in the name I want. Monetize with IB. This is my name. I'll go on and click on save. So the next one is handle, the channel handle. You see here, YouTube have already suggested a handle for me. So I'm okay with it. I'll go on and click on save. I will save it. The next one, create channel. So this is it. Our channel has been created. So we go on setting it up. Channel settings, I go to profile and click on the profile picture. Then I go to my gallery, select a preferable picture of my choice, of your choice. You select the preferable picture of your choice and you click on save profile picture. So the next, you see the name, handle, channel URL. That's your channel link. The link you copy and send to any of your social media platform for people to use and subscribe on your channel. So here is the description, channel description. On channel description, this is where you say what your channel is all about. This is where you describe what your channel is all about, your niche, what you'll be giving out, the value your audience will be gaining from you, what your channel is all about, and so on. So this is it. I will go on now and type in my channel description. what people will be expecting when they are coming to my channel, what they will be seeing when they are coming to my channel. So I will go on and type it here. So that's it, and I will click on save. So this is how it will appear. Our name, your name, your channel name is there, your handle is there, your channel URL, that's your channel link, and your description is there. My name, monetize with IB, handle at monetize with IB, and then my description. So this is all about setting up here. So we continue on. This is all about here. So we continue with our settings, channel settings. Then now you go to Google Chrome. When you go to your Google Chrome, you type in YouTube dashboard. When you type in your YouTube dashboard, your channel will appear there. When you enter your YouTube dashboard, your channel will come up there. So you click on that your channel, you continue with the settings. You go to the bottom line there, you will see settings. You click on settings, you select channel. When you select channel, you click on basic information. On this basic information, you select your country. You select your country. I'm in Nigeria. I've already selected mine. I save it. Then you add your keywords. You add your keywords. So the next one is advanced settings. On advanced settings, you go to your advanced settings, you choose this video is not meant for kids. It's very advisable to set it now so that you will not be going back and forth when you are posting to set it. So you select this video is not meant for kids. You go to your advanced settings and select this video is not meant for kids, and you save it. Go to settings, select channel, click on advanced settings, select this video is not meant for kids. You click on save. The next one is features. The next one is feature eligibility. Feature eligibility is where you verify your phone number. On this part, you verify your phone number. So your verification of phone number, you go to settings, you click on channel, you click on feature eligibility, click on verify phone number. Then this place will come out and you select your country. When you select your country, you add in your phone number. What is your phone number? You add your phone number there and you click on next. So on this place, they will send a code to that particular number and you use it to verify your phone, your channel. The next one is channel customization. Channel customization, this is where you enter into this page where you see your banner image, profile picture, your handle, and all the rest of them, your links, and your contact info. Mind you, this your contact info is your Gmail account. That is what you will add there, your Gmail account. But make sure you are not using the Gmail account you use in opening this channel. It's always safe that you don't use it, because it's always safe that you don't use it. You add in another, maybe your business Gmail account, any other Gmail account that you have, you add it in there. It is important because that is where brands and will contact you. That is where brand and business deals will come from. That's your email, that's your Gmail account there. That's what they will use to contact you. So you go on and upload your banner. Now we upload our banner. So if you don't know how to create a banner, you go to Canva, and if you don't know how to do it on Canva, on my next video you'll be seeing how to create banner. On my next video, I'll be showing you how to create banner on my next video. So this is how your banner will appear on your cell phone, your television, and your laptop. So the first place is the safe part. When I'll be teaching you, understand better how to create your YouTube banner. So we upload our YouTube banner and click on publish. It's very important. Remember, whenever you upload, whenever you set something here, save or you click on publish, because if you do not save or you do not click on publish, it will not save. So we go to our profile picture, we upload a profile picture, and I will click on publish. So this is, if you're still watching me to this time, please do well to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and comment. Please, it's very important. Comment is very important. Ask questions. I will be on the comment section to attend to all your questions. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.